your trusted source for the latest insights, reviews, and updates from the world of motorcycles. Today, we dive deep into one of the most anticipated comebacks in the cruiser segment, the 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod. A machine that once redefined Harley's image in the early 2000s is back, and it's better, bolder, and more refined than ever. The return of the V-Rod isn't just a nostalgic reboot, it's a clear signal from Harley-Davidson that they are serious about blending legacy with modern performance. So, whether you're a longtime V-Rod enthusiast or a new rider curious about this muscle-bound cruiser, this in-depth breakdown will tell you everything you need to know. Legacy and return of the V-Rod. The original V-Rod, launched in 2001, marked a radical departure from Harley's air-cooled V-twin tradition. Designed in collaboration with Porsche, the V-Rod boasted a high-revving, liquid-cooled Revolution engine that aimed at performance, not just heritage. It was muscular, aggressive, and futuristic, traits that polarized purists but attracted a new generation of riders. After being discontinued in 2017, the V-Rod faded from the lineup, but demand never truly died. Riders missed its street drag aesthetics, strong low-end torque, and brutal acceleration. Fast forward to 2025, and Harley-Davidson has responded to the call. The 2025 V-Rod is not just a reissue, it's a rebirth. With new engineering, sharper design elements, and modern electronics, Harley has reimagined the V-Rod to fit into today's hyper-competitive power cruiser market. Design and aesthetic evolution. The 2025 V-Rod retains the muscle cruiser DNA of its predecessors, long, low, and wide. But everything looks leaner and more aggressive now. The frame is entirely new, built using a lighter, high-strength aluminum alloy that cuts down weight without compromising rigidity. Harley has managed to retain that signature dragster silhouette while updating almost every visual element for a modern appeal. Up front, you get a redesigned LED headlamp with integrated dials, giving the V-Rod a piercing, robotic stare. The tank, though faux as always, is sleeker, with deeper creases and angular shoulders that emphasize the bike's forward thrust. The tail section is minimalist, with a chopped rear fender and hidden LED indicators that clean up the lines. Dual matte and gloss finishes, along with optional carbon fiber body panels, lend the bike a premium, high-performance vibe. Engine and performance specs. Under the hood, the 2025 V-Rod is powered by an all-new 1,400 cubic centimeters Revolution Max V-twin engine, evolved from the Pan America platform but significantly retuned. This liquid-cooled powerhouse pumps out a jaw-dropping 143 horsepower and 89 pound-foot of torque, making it the most powerful production cruiser in Harley's lineup. The engine delivers strong low-end torque with a high-revving nature, redlining at 9,500 RPM. This means you're not just cruising, you're launching. Whether you're pulling out of corners or blasting down the highway, the throttle response is immediate, linear, and surprisingly smooth for such a torque-heavy platform. In terms of ride modes, the new V-Rod comes with Sport, Road, Rain, and custom settings. Each mode adjusts throttle mapping, ABS sensitivity, and traction control, allowing riders to fine-tune performance for their riding style or environment. For a bike that weighs just under 630 pounds wet, the power-to-weight ratio is exhilarating. Chassis, handling, and suspension. One of the major criticisms of older V-Rod models was their handling, stiff in corners and a bit unresponsive. The 2025 model completely turns that around. The new chassis geometry, combined with a fully adjustable Showa suspension setup, $43 million forks at the front and a monoshock rear, transforms the ride feel. The bike now feels far more planted and agile. Lean angles have been improved to 32 degrees on either side, making corner carving more confident. Harley has also upgraded the braking package, with Brembo radial-mounted calipers and dual 300mm discs up front, plus a 280mm disc in the rear, all managed by cornering ABS. The tire profile has also changed. The V-Rod rides on 19-inch front and 18-inch rear forged alloy wheels, wrapped in sticky Michelin Power Cruiser tires. This combo not only improves grip but enhances high-speed stability and responsiveness in tight maneuvers. Technology and electronics. The 2025 V-Rod doesn't shy away from tech either. It features a full-color 5-inch TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and turn-by-turn directions. The interface is clean, responsive, and visible even under harsh sunlight. The bike also supports the Harley-Davidson app, which gives access to remote diagnostics, service schedules, and ride analytics. Other tech features include cornering traction control, wheelie mitigation, engine braking control, cruise control, and keyless ignition. A link-sensitive IMU inertial measurement unit manages all stability functions, ensuring that performance doesn't come at the cost of safety. Riders also get a USB-C charging port, heated grips as an optional accessory, and compatibility with wireless headsets for music and call integration. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its aggressive profile, the 2025 V-Rod is surprisingly comfortable. Harley has clearly learned from past models and optimized ergonomics for long-distance usability. The forward-set foot pegs, mid-height bars, and a contoured saddle create a relaxed yet commanding riding posture. Seat height is now a manageable 27.5 inches, making the bike accessible to a wider range of riders. The seat itself features new dual-density foam and optional Alcantara upholstery for enhanced comfort. While it's still a solo rider-focused bike by design, Harley offers a factory pillion setup and optional backrest for those planning to tour with a partner. Wind protection is minimal, but Harley does offer a range of accessories, including a small fly screen and quick-release touring windshield for longer rides. Pricing, variants, and competition. Harley-Davidson has priced the 2025 V-Rod competitively, starting at $20,999 for the base trim and going up to $24,999 for the top-tier variant with premium paint, heated grips, quick shifter, and optional performance exhaust. In terms of competition, the V-Rod squares off against bikes like the Ducati Diavel V4, Yamaha VMAX, and Indian Scout Bobber 1200. While each of these machines brings something unique, the Harley V-Rod holds a distinct advantage in legacy, torque delivery, and ride customization. The Diavel may edge it out on top-end horsepower, but the V-Rod counters with a more visceral, raw American muscle bike experience. Final verdict: is the 2025 V-Rod worth it? The return of the V-Rod in 2025 is more than just a celebration of Harley's innovation, it's a message. A message that Harley-Davidson is not afraid to take risks, evolve, and re-enter markets it once ruled. This bike is a beautiful balance between old-school muscle and new-age performance. If you're looking for a cruiser that looks like a beast, rides like a sport bike, and carries the unmistakable roar of a Harley, the 2025 V-Rod is the one to watch. It's not just back, it's evolved. Outros. Subscribe to Bike Updater Pro. Thanks for joining us on this in-depth review of the 2025 Harley-Davidson V-Rod. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Bike Updater Pro, and turn on notifications for the latest motorcycle reviews, industry updates, and rider tips. Got questions or thoughts on the V-Rod? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe and stay updated.